So I'm going to assume that you watched the video for problem number 1 and you learned already how to add dimension lines, orbit, pan, and zoom. Problem number 2, I want to show you how to actually turn your block into something. But first I just wanted to look at the title. The title is the end lap member, and the reason this is called a lap member is because you basically can have two of the same objects and they kind of overlap each other. And not only do they overlap, but if you've done it right in woodworking, um, when you cut the piece, you can overlap them in either direction. So you can see I've rotated the block 90 degrees and it fits. But that's where we're going. So let's figure out how to get there first. Oops. So the thing I want to show you today is what I just used to undo the shape. This is called the push-pull tool. Now, Sketchup is different from Tinkercad. Tinkercad is a shaped-based program, whereas Sketchup is a lined-based program and a point. So you can draw points and lines, and then we would call these planes. This is a plane in SketchUp, but in Tinkercad you just do shapes, 3D shapes, and they're already made for you. So it's just a different program, and so I want you to kind of have a bit of experience with both of them. What we want to do is we want to take this shape that I've provided for you, and we're going to hit P for push-pull. And you notice when I mouse over that different things get highlighted, different faces get highlighted. So I'm going to go on this one here. I'm going to click my mouse one time. You don't have to hold your mouse down, you just click. And then when I move it, it's already ready to go. If you push and hold, sometimes that can cause you to make mistakes. So it's best if you just click and let go. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to look in the bottom corner here and I'm going to type a number. And the number I'm going to type is based on my drawing here. And you can see my overall height is 2. And in the front here, we need to have it go down to 1. So we do a little quick math in our head. 2 minus 1 is 1. So when I go down here and I hit 1 and enter, there we go. I have my finished shape. And all that's left to do is add my dimensions, which we learned in the previous video. Oops. And I know I have one there and one there. And that's all there is to it. See you in the next video. Don't forget to save.